question, you have been provided with 3 test tubes. One of them contains distilled water, other 2 contain acidic solution and a basic solution, respectively. If you are given only red litmus paper, how will you identify the contents of each test tube? अब red litmus paper जो distilled water में the color of the red litmus paper remains unchanged because distilled water is neutral. Then acidic solution में उसका color हो जाएगा red. Red litmus remains red in acidic solution. In basic solution, the color of red litmus changes from red to blue. Next is understanding the chemical properties of acids and bases. यहाँ पे एक activity given है. In this activity, you are provided with some acids and bases. यहाँ पे जो acids है वो है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड, एसिटिक एसिड, और जो बेस गिवन है वो है NaOH, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ये बेसिस गिवन है. You have to identify the acids and bases using the indicators red. So red litmus in acidic solution, its color remains unchanged, whereas in basic medium it will change to blue color. Blue litmus solution जो है वो acidic में red जाएगा, basic में it remains blue. Phenolphthalein acidic में colorless, whereas in basic it becomes light pink. Methyl orange in acidic solution it will be red, and in basic solution it will be yellow. So these indicators will tell whether the substance is acidic or basic. Another activity 2.2. Take some chopped onions in a plastic bag and put them with some clean cloth and tie the bag and keep it in the refrigerator. Take the cloth and check for the odor. Now put few drops of dilute HCl solution. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि in the presence of dilute HCl, the odor remains unchanged. Odor of the cloth does not change. Whereas if you use base, using base, the odor vanishes from the cloth because this base reacts with the chemical which is responsible for the odor in the cloth. So these are used as olfactory indicators. Means the smell changes in acidic and basic medium. Basic medium में onion cloth में कोई smell नहीं रहेगी because the base will react with the chemical which is responsible for the odor. Whereas acidic medium में the odor of the cloth remains unchanged.